Good morning, friends. It has been tough to wake up early lately. In the winter, when it's just dark for so long out in the mornings, I find it really hard to get up, but it's been helping that I have my sunrise alarm clock that has that fun sound of waves hitting the shore that helps wake me up. And then I always start my day with my gratitude journal. And I really wanted today's video to be a morning routine that is realistic. It's not perfect. I spend my days, starting with a workout. It's not in a pretty gym, it's just in the living room. And I follow some YouTube tutorials. I really like Daisy Keach's YouTube tutorials for workouts at the moment. And then I go and take a shower and, it's not this perfect, cute morning routine, but it's my routine. And I wanted to share that with you guys today. And then I watch everyone head to work. I watch the traffic go by and I start my day with a coffee. And yes, I'm using instant coffee. Again, not super glamorous, but I do spice it up with some cinnamon and some pumpkin spice and honey. And then I add my favorite part, which is this frothy almond milk. And it's practically gourmet. Good morning, everyone. I feel so tired today. I'll be honest, I did not sleep great last night. So waking up at 6 today was a bit of a struggle, but I always feel good once I've done that because I don't have to worry about my workout for the rest of the day. I'm like, it's done. We squeezed it in and now we can move on to other tasks. Usually on a day like this, what I tell myself when I'm getting up, I'm lucky because I work from home. As I tell myself at lunch, maybe you can have a nap, and that's enough to kind of force myself to get up. So what I opened up first today is a client's website that I'm working on. It's for an interior design store, so linking all the products. It's been an interesting task linking Lightspeed to show it. And then I'm gonna be working on Paige's video once I get some stuff from her today. And then I think this afternoon, not that I will probably take you guys along with me that far, but I'll likely be filming a YouTube video just because I haven't really filmed one this week, minus, waking up at 6 a.m. and showing you guys my morning routine at the moment. So I think that'll be good. And then, yeah, I think that's the plan for today. So I'm gonna get started on my work. Very exciting, very fun, and take you guys along with me. I know no one asked, but what I'm currently doing right now. So there's this website that my client actually really liked, and funny enough, he's a YouTuber who's quite famous on YouTube. I believe his name's Drew. I sometimes watch his channel. So super excited that she picked his website, Lone Fox. And there was something on his website, I don't know if it's maybe updated. Yes, this feature that I really liked. Let me show you guys up close. When you hover over products shown in a stylized photo, he links where to get it. I actually really like how he did that with the photos. I wasn't gonna go so extreme, but maybe I'll take that idea now too. I really liked this idea because then it helps people be like, oh, that's how it all looks together. I'm interested in this product, or I want these ones together. So I'm trying to do that with this show website here. As you can tell, I haven't got the name of the products and stuff yet, but the idea is when people hover over it, then the name of the products will pop up and then you can click to go and check that product out and buy it if you're interested. So that's what I'm currently working on. Really like how he did it on his website. We'll see if I can create something similar for my client. I'm pretty happy with the fact that I got a fair bit done for my client's website today. I love seeing everything come together for a project like that. Still super dark outside, even though it's lunchtime. I think the sun is hiding behind all the snowfall today. And I've been in one of those moods lately, like especially this week, where I'm just not in the mood to cook anything healthy, nor do I desire it. So for today's menu, I'm making instant noodles and I'm adding an egg. And I quickly, cooked that up, and then, wow, look at that 5-star meal. Ate it real quick and decided that it would be good to take my dog out for a walk. He loves jumping around in the snow, and I think it's just good to get outside even on a snowy day like this. On days like this, the snow feels pretty magical, and my not so perfect morning feels just a little bit more special. So thank you for joining me this morning, and I hope you'll stick around and that I'll see you all in the next video. Bye friends.